Hello everybody and welcome to Consumer Cave. Today we will be reviewing the Devialet Bluetooth speaker and stand. So first, let's take a look what's inside the box. So inside the box, you have the actual gold phantom speaker. Inside the treetop box for the stand, this box is sold separately. You have the stand right here, 3 pegs. But if you just buy the speaker by itself, you get the speaker, instructions, and the power cord. So now let's fire this bad boy up. This is the sound test for the Phantom Gold Bluetooth speaker.
So easily, open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Baby, open up to me, don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on.
So the speaker itself cost a little bit under $3,000. It's $2,990. The stand right here is $329, and together they're $3,319. And the reason that this is so expensive is, first of all, the gold plating right here is 22 karat rose gold, and this bad boy can its peak wattage is 4,500, and it can get as loud as 108 decibels, which is similar to being at a live concert or at a live show. So the stand, I don't know why it costs that much. It's just, fancy, so I guess that's why it costs so much. But the wood, it's just wood. But it looks great. Aesthetically, if I had an extra $3,000 lying around, I would definitely like to decorate my house with something this expensive, but realistically, nah. But the speaker, the sound itself, it doesn't distort any sound. So I turned this thing up all the way into the nursery while I tested it in my nursery, and it shook the whole house. The loudest bass I probably ever heard from any of the speakers I've ever tested. This thing actually shakes the walls, and it gets really loud, and it doesn't distort the sound. So that's something, it's pretty hard to achieve. So I think this is for maybe a higher end consumer who is probably also a millionaire and likes to listen to music in like their own dedicated space, or, studio where they make music. So, but other than that, I give this speaker a 10 out of 10 as a speaker. It's a great sound, doesn't distort it. They say they recommend buying this in a pair, but most of us aren't millionaires or don't like to spend money that much on speakers. So, but the speaker itself is actually a great speaker. So I could see why there's so much hype around it and why it costs so much. And if I did have the money, I would definitely buy it. And just the way it looks, sounds, the way everything's hidden, and it's not too complex. It's just simple. You just plug it in. You could hook it up to your apps, hook it up to Spotify. It's all in their app. So that's one of the things I do like. It's connectable and easy to use. You can just connect your Bluetooth to it and boom, you'll already be playing your music and good to go. For the design, I give this product a 10 out of 10. It's aesthetically pleasing to the eye. You can put this anywhere in the room and it'll just, fit right in. And also, if you remove the stand, you will just have this base right here, which you could just put on any desk. You don't need to have the stand. So it can fit anywhere, on a counter, console table, just hidden on a side table anywhere, and it'll be perfect. It just has one wire coming out of the back, so it's very minimalist, but it also delivers great sound. For the quality of the materials, you got 22 karat rose gold right there, which is not on most speakers. And also, most of the parts on the inside are made of grade A aluminum, so the sound doesn't get distorted or doesn't lose any of the sound or quality that the artist wants you to hear. So that's another plus on the quality. You can also pair multiple of these speakers together to have like a party mode, which will probably make people's brain explode, because one speaker by itself is already amazing. 2 or 3 of these paired together is just going to be over the top, and it'll just be insane. If you have that type of money, I would invest in it, but you could definitely get multiple of these. You could pair up to 12 of them together. So if you have that type of money and you could spend 36 grand on some speakers, go for it. But the speaker itself, definitely worth it. So that's it for the Devialet Phantom Gold Bluetooth speaker. I definitely recommend this product. 10 out of 10. Great sound, great quality. Price, a little bit expensive, but it's great. If you guys want to test the speaker out, I'm going to put a link in the description so you guys could test it out, see what all the buzz is about. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And until next time, see you guys later.